Trouble is brewing between vendors and the authorities in Negril ahead of the Dream Weekend celebration. Now, this following the announcement of strict vending restrictions.
Street-side vending on the main road in Negril, a common sight, especially during the holidays. However, for the Emancipation Dream Weekend Party Fest, new measures will see vendors restricted to an area more than 100 meters away from party venues.
It is not feasible for us as the people of Negril.
The vendors, who are used to selling at party entrances along Norman Manley Boulevard, insist that the decision to put them far from the patrons is counterproductive.
You're not going to make a dollar because let me tell you one thing is, Dream Weekend crowd, you see, it's spend where the venue is. When they leave the venue, they go into another hotel and then go into another party. Then don't have no time. The nearer it be when them come out, that's how you get something from them.
It's the time of year for most people in Negril to make something, sir, to make some form of finance, because people from all over the world and all over Jamaica are coming now. So that's the time of the year for us to make something.
The decision was taken at a stakeholder meeting in June. It involved the police, the municipal corporation, the Negril Chamber of Commerce, and others. It was felt that the arrangements would address traffic congestion and illegal activities that usually mar the economic explosion during the August holidays. The vendors are, however, demanding that the authorities return to the drawing board and formulate a plan that facilitates their prosperity.
We as vendors need a slice of the cake. Two here, rolling down in the country. Now the country lift up. Why we can't lift up? Why we must still stand down?
Herman Green, TVJ News.